Are you out there working hard on your side hustle or just working to save some money and you're not seeing that money grow? Let's change that today. Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm reviewing every side hustle, but also helping you find ways to make that money grow for you. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you would like to see from me next. So to get started, it doesn't really matter how you're finding this extra money, whether it's through a side hustle or you just saving really hard every day. Finding that extra money is only half the battle. There is a real game changer out there, and that is to manage your money in a way that it is growing for you without really having to think about it. Now, one of the safest ways you can do this is with a high yield savings account. Typically, you would get one of these through an online bank, and unlike your regular bank savings account, these come with a very significant high interest rate when you save. For instance, a Bank of America savings account is at 0.1%, but Ally Bank, which is an online bank, is right now at 4.35%. Now, these amounts change over time, but typically an online bank is by far way higher than your physical bank because they are saving money from not having branches, having way different customer care models, and just in general have way lower fees and everything like that. So why is this crucial for people that are saving or working hard on their side hustles like you? Well, it's simple. A side hustle might bring in that extra money, but a high yield savings account ensures that cash grows without you really actively working on anything. Let me break it down in the most easiest way. Let's say you have an extra $5,000 that you got either through your side hustle or from just working hard and saving, and you're deciding where to put this money. You can either choose to put it into a normal savings account through Bank of America at 0.1% interest, or a high yield savings account, like I said, with Ally at 4.35. What does that mean for you and your savings? If you put that $5,000 into that 0.1% savings account, you would only have a mere $5 interest added into your account. But if you went with that other account at 4.35, you would have $217. That is nearly 40 times more than what you have got through that Bank of America 0.1% account. Now, I hear people challenge this, saying $217 over the course of the year. That's actually not that much, but think about it. You're absolutely doing nothing. You're just putting the money into an account and it's growing safely and insured, and you don't have to worry about anything. So it doesn't really hurt to actually put this into a high yield savings account rather than having it in a savings account that's practically saving you nothing. Now, when you're looking into high yield savings accounts, there are a lot out there, and I would say rest assured with any of them that say they are FDIC insured. This means the federal government backs them up to $250,000. So unless you are going to put more than $250,000 into your high yield savings account, I wouldn't be too worried about you putting your money into an online bank. I happen to use Ally. The link is in my bio if you're interested in opening a high yield savings account with them. They even offer a special offer where they'll put some money into the account if you use that link. But there's also things like SoFi and a couple other online banks that do offer a really high interest rate when it comes to their savings. These do fluctuate over time, so you do have to pay attention to that. The ones that don't fluctuate are CDs, but CDs keep this money from being liquid, or you would have to pay a penalty if you withdraw. The savings account I'm talking about, a high yield savings account, is money that's super liquid that you can withdraw up to 3 to 6 times a month and that kind of things. And typically online banks have way lower fees, or they don't have fees at all, but those are all things you should look into when looking into a high yield savings account. So to sum this up, if you are out there doing a side hustle or really working hard to save your money, it's showing you are proactive about your money, but pairing it with a smart savings strategy like a high yield savings account can ensure that your money is truly growing without you really having to work hard at it. If you find this insightful or helpful, let me know in the comments, and make sure you are liking and subscribing to my videos, as I am a small creator and all that stuff really helps me. Until next time, if you want to see real side hustle reviews, make sure you subscribe to me. On to the next one, guys. Peace.